Matt's window's out because he unplugged his. This is Barracuda covered in snow. As you can see, it's snowing and blowing. It's insane. And it's freezing out here. Oh, where is he? Ask Tinkles. No, Milo, you're on camera, don't pee! What do you think of the snow, Milo? Huh? Was it a little too cold for you? No, you love the snow, Tinkle. Milo, you want to go in the house? You want to go in the house? Huh? You want to go in the house? Come on, let's go. Go, Tinkle. Go, Tinkle. Go, Tinkle. Go on. Come on, Ho. Come on. Look. There's the house. Come on. Come on, Milo. Come on, Milo. Oh, you're going to make me step on you. We're almost there. Oh, there's the truck. Covered in snow. There's the hole. Milo. Guess it's every man for himself, isn't it? Milo. 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 Milo, can you say Merry Christmas? Happy Holidays? Huh? Merry late Christmas. Yeah? Okay, sit down. Is this interview over? You want to go in the house? You want to go in the house? Are you freezing your tinkle nuts off? Milo. Milo. Say goodbye.